Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my honey. I want more honeys because I want more money. I need 40 more thousand. Huh? Okay, I don't understand. If you do me, I'm such a bad YouTuber. Everyone hates me. Can someone just give me 1 subscriber? But it don't matter. They don't matter. It don't mean matter. Oh, I want 7K more. But it don't matter. It don't matter. I got black, I got white, I got yellow on my side. I'm gonna stop making my honey, money. What the frick? Follow my TikTok, Roblox Pro 2929. Yeah, thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe with notifications and like the video. Yeah. I guess we're going to end it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next. I'm going to see you in the next one. Goodbye.